So this video is going to be showing how to calculate termite barrier and the perimeter protection for a standard Lancon house. So this is basically used to protect the house from termites. So in Queensland we do have quite a problem with termites, and they actually eat through all the timber in our houses. So we do actually use treated timber on the frames, but it's a big issue here that is very important that we protect against. So we have termite barriers in the house. So basically with the termite barrier that we use a perimeter treatment. So it's actually a physical barrier that they can't get through. And then also there are collars in the slab. So you'll see here that we have collars for the any penetrations to the slab. So that's basically what we're going to calculate as a stand in our standard homes. So here we go. We've got the Jackson Biltmore facade. So this is, I'll just delete that so you've only got one thing to look at. So with this particular item, we need to calculate any of the penetrations into the slab. So a penetration is classed as any sink, any floor waste, toilet, drain, everything like that. So we'll go up to the count feature, and we'll just select this one. So we've got a kitchen sink here. We have a floor waste, toilet, basin and floor waste in the bathroom. Then if we move to the laundry, again we have a sink and we have a floor waste there. So that is how we would calculate the required items for the collars, which protect basically termites coming up through the ground and through the slab. So with that particular one, if you click on this one, it will tell you the quantity of 7. So if we go back into data build and we update that item to be 7. The next item that we're going to calculate is the termite barrier. So this sits in between the slab and the frame. So we only need to provide a takeoff of the house perimeter, not any slab perimeters. So once you've set up your scale and you've calibrated that one, we just start in the top left and work our way around the building here, just always on the outside point for this one. Okay, so that is the perimeter of the house. So if we click on here, it is 55.72. Now we don't actually provide perimeter treatment in the same way to the garage. So we'll just take the 4.8 linear meters along the front here off of that total amount. So that brings us to 50.92. So if we go back into data build, and we just type in 50.92 there. Then along the front there, we just actually use a construction joint. So that provides protection between the driveway slab and the house slab in the garage. So that one is just what we took off of there originally, and that's -1 as well. So that's all the items required for a standard slab. And then we'll just have to create a specification item to advise the client of what we've actually allowed here.